All right, Ryan Breton is here now with your full check of the forecast. And I got to say, it was kind of nice to open the door this morning and not get hit in the face with humidity, but it is chillier out there.
My AC went right off.
Exactly.
Needed it last night still, but by
still
this
warm going
morning,
to bed.
yeah, it's a totally different air mass, and the humidity holds off for at least another 3 or 4 days. So
Hey.
nothing crazy hot or humid coming up. In fact, it's much cooler than this time yesterday. Nearly 30 degrees cooler actually in Portland, 20 degrees cooler in Waterville and Bangor. The wind is turned onshore, so a chilly feel at the coast, only in the low 60s, relatively speaking, given it's late June. If this were a month ago, it wouldn't feel all that bad. 67 in Bangor, 66 right now in Millinocket. And this is part of the story really today. The dew points dropping to levels that we really see more often in the fall than in late June. 40s and 50s out there right now. A few showers and sprinkles headed down through Kittery and Portsmouth. These are moving offshore, and it's actually totally clear up over northern Maine. This clearing line should keep moving south, so you might see a little sun before it sets tonight. The heat and humidity being held to our south until next week, and then this area of low pressure will ride along this front and bring us some steadier rain on Saturday. So overnight tonight there will be some gradual clearing. Some of you see the sun before it sets. By tomorrow morning it's cool, it's comfortable. There will be some 40s, especially in central and eastern Maine early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's forecast has improved a little bit. It looks mostly sunny through the first half of the day. Clouds do move in during the afternoon, but any rain should hold off until sunset or even after that in most spots tomorrow. Mid 70s inland, low 70s at the coastline. You probably can make it a beach day tomorrow. Just later in the day, the clouds will start to thicken up. And we'll pick the story back up here at 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. It's cloudy with some showers moving in. Highest chance for showers later in the day tomorrow after sunset will be in New Hampshire and western Maine. And then by Saturday morning, we have a warm front that's to our south, and these showers are riding along north of it. So it looks pretty wet for at least the first half of the day on Saturday, and it'll be cool too. The question is, Saturday afternoon, can we push this north and get into some warmth over southern and western Maine? It all depends on whether this warm front can lift through the state. If you remember yesterday, we were thinking it would play out rather cool, but there is some reason for a little optimism. The European model for the last couple of runs has lifted that warm front at least into southwestern Maine, so it's possible the end of the day on Saturday turns a little bit warmer in this corner of the state, and of course we'll have a better idea of that tomorrow. Where this band of showers and downpours sets up, the potential is there for an inch or more of rain as it all comes through on Saturday. Now Sunday likely starts out cloudy and damp, but the afternoon does turn better, and then early next week we start to warm back up again and it turns more humid, especially on Tuesday of next week. We'll have temps in the 80s with higher humidity. Seas tomorrow 1 to 3 feet with a light northeast wind becoming southerly in the afternoon. So sunshine giving way to some clouds tomorrow afternoon, still nice and comfortable. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. Showers especially Saturday morning, and depending on if we can get that warm front in, parts of southern Maine may hit 70 on Saturday afternoon, but for now we'll play it in the 60s. Sunday morning's probably cloudy, the afternoon a bit brighter, and then we're warmer and more humid. A front may bring some thunderstorms on Tuesday and Thursday of next week.
All right.
Yeah, looking more summer-like, and that's the first week of July right there.